wishes to you. Today I'm showing you a few budget-friendly DIY gift ideas to inspire your Christmas crafting. So let's jump right in with this little Christmas tree ornament. I found this tiny bear at the dollar store. He's adorable, but the paint job was quite careless. Well-painted ornaments can get pretty expensive, especially at Christmas markets. So these cheaper figures are a great alternative if you have acrylic paint and a detail brush at home. By repainting the bear, I can really upgrade the whole look. You can even choose your own colors if you don't like the original style. While repainting, I noticed his fur wasn't actually pure white. That turned into a happy little accident because I ended up creating a subtle 3D effect in the fur, making him look much softer and fluffier. The hat and scarf looked really faded, so I refreshed them with brighter colors. For the golden details, I had to repaint them completely so everything matched nicely. In the before and after comparison, you can clearly see how much more high quality he looks now. Definitely centerpiece worthy on the Christmas tree. For my next project, I'm starting completely from scratch using air dry clay. Recently, I've been seeing this Plein air paint palettes everywhere. You can get them made of wood for a fairly cheap price on Amazon, but I'm always cautious about mixing wood and water. It can become messy over time. By making one myself, I can customize it exactly how I want. In the end, I sealed the palette with UV resin, making it waterproof, and filled it with a primary color set. Nicely packaged, maybe with a water brush and a small sketchbook, it makes a beautiful and thoughtful artist's gift. During my dollar store trip, I also found a set of gingerbread figurines. They were clearly mass produced and planned, but nothing a bit of paint couldn't fix. I repainted all the colored parts to give them more natural dimensions and added a gentle brown tone, like they just came out of the oven. Then I grabbed my air dry clay again. This time I wanted to make a dish in a specific shape. You could use it for jewelry, keys or other small items. Since I finished it with a food safe varnish, it can also be used to serve cookies or sweets during the holidays. those were my little Christmas projects. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like and subscription. Every bit of support means a lot to me. With that said, happy crafting and see you in the next video.